This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
In this video, we'll be working with equal groups. Equal groups help us relate addition and multiplication. Take a look at this model. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. How many dots are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can describe this model by saying there are 3 groups of 5 dots. But how else could we describe this model? Using addition, we could say that 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Because there are 3 groups, and each group has 5 dots. We could also describe this model using multiplication. We could say that 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 tells us the number of groups. 5 tells us the number of dots in each group. Are you ready to describe equal groups using addition and multiplication? Let's go. In this problem, there are 3 ways to describe this model, and we have to fill in the blanks. We see there are 4 groups of blank dots. So the first thing we need to do is count our dots. 1, 2. So now we can fill in our first blank. There are 4 groups of 2 dots. The problem has already described the model using addition. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. Now we just need to describe the model using multiplication. We see that a missing number times another missing number equals 8. How do we know what those missing numbers are? We know that we have to multiply the number of groups by the number of dots in each group. So what numbers do we need to fill in? Well, our first number will be 4, because we have 4 groups. What's our second number? 2, because there are 2 dots in each group. So using multiplication, we can describe this model as 4 times 2 equals 8. I bet you're getting the hang of this, but let's solve one more problem. Once again, there are 3 ways to describe this model, and we have to fill in the blanks. Our first sentence says there are blank groups of blank dots. So we'll answer this by counting our groups. 1, 2. And now counting our dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can say there are 2 groups of 7 dots. Now we see the model described using addition, as 7 plus 7 equals blank. What number completes this description? 14. Because 7 plus 7 is 14. We also see the model described using multiplication, as 2 times 7 equals blank. What number completes this description? It's 14 here as well, because 2 groups of 7 dots means there are a total of 14 dots in all. Thanks for helping me describe equal groups using addition and multiplication. You did great.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.